At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A 15-year-old sentenced student is to appear before the court after he allegedly raped a 6-year-old child at a daycare in the parish. My viewers and subscribers, when I hear them something, police report that the incident happened on Saturday, January the 27, 2024. Further reports from the Ocherias police are that the 6-year-old girl was at a bathroom at the daycare facility when the accused barged in on her. He allegedly sexual assaulted her and had sexual intercourse with her. A report was made to the police and an investigation launched into the matter. The accused was later taken to the station by his relatives, where he was charged with rape and grievous sexual assault. Okay, no. Me not understand this here. My viewers and subscribers. A 6-year-old girl, 6-year-old, gone a bathroom. Yeah? And this year, 15-year-old boy go rape the 6-year-old. So where was all the teachers them? That me wouldn't like to know, because a 6-year-old gone at the bathroom. How long it take to do all of that? So the teacher then keep an eye on the pitney them. And then again, a 15-year-old boy. What him do? Me not understand what him do this so. Him the work experience. Who is this 15-year-old child? Me not understand. In the work experience or what? Me not understand. When we not talk, when we come clean and we can understand and come straight. So the 6-year, okay, it is a daycare. So if it's a daycare, a 15-year-old child not supposed to depend the facility. No, you're not supposed to be in the compound. You're not supposed to in the facility there. Unless the daycare hitch on to the school. You get what I mean? And this not sound like say it is like the daycare and the school. You understand? Is all together. And it seems like that to me. So who is this 15-year-old? Is this 15-year-old related to one of the workers them? Who is this 15-year-old child? He only say a 15-year-old sentenced student is to appear before the court after he allegedly raped a 6-year-old child at a daycare in the parish. But who is this 15-year-old? Is he related to one of the teachers? You understand what me I try to say? Because the 15-year-old seems like him familiar with the place very well. Must. So, no. You see, when you not talk, when you not put things out, you have to come and just talk straight. Who is this 15-year-old? I want the teacher pitney them, and that we want to know. Because if it's a daycare, what a 15-year-old is doing at a daycare? A 15-year-old upon work experience, me want to know, me want to try to understand what is going on. Because if you tell me, if I want to teacher them pitney, we're supposed to know. If I want what a 15-year-old I do a daycare, me not understand that. A 15-year-old not have no right for there no daycare. And then in the other daycare, and in take, how long it take for do all of that? That means that the teacher they now up in them kulu yai and keep eye on the people them pitney. And me I talk to you, me not go around, Me I talk it as how it is. When you hear what talk your mind TV say, talk your mind. So me I talk as how me see it. When me I try to say no, this little boy, that is a 15-year-old child, in go to the bathroom and in do what him have to do. Remember the child a 6-year-old. So when the teacher them there, the teacher they not keep an eye on the pitney them. If pitney got toilet, you know how long a pitney take it. You're supposed to keep an eye on a 6-year-old. A baby that. No, sir. This seems like the little boy familiar. To me, it seems like the little boy are familiar with the place, with the daycare. Maybe, I'm not saying, I say maybe. May I ask a question? Is it one of the teacher them pitney? Or is it one of the teacher them relative? Why the 15-year-old boy I do there? We need to come and tell, we make people them know. We want to know. We just come out and I say a 15-year-old. So I tell me say somebody just stray off of the road and just come in at the daycare and just guard the bathroom and rape the 6-year-old. That no make no sense. You see, when you now come out and attack certain things and I put out certain things, you need to come out good enough. Because everybody are idiot. You understand? My viewers and subscribers, may I try pick sense out of nonsense right now. The 15-year-old boy seems like he know the place very well. On top of that, for him a walk around in a daycare, I must one of the teacher them pitney or maybe I one of the teacher them relative or something like that. Because I know no come una fi come tell we, you know. Una fi come tell we know what I want. This don't make no sense, my viewers and subscribers. Seriously. I'm really sorry to hear what happened to this little 6-year-old child. And the teacher them for hold accountable for this. The teacher them also need to hold accountable for this. Because when people send them pitney come to school and go to school, you need to make sure say you watch the people them pitney. I know what the people pitney them there. You understand? You can't just send 60-year-old go in a bathroom. How long the little boy take for do all of that to a 6-year-old? Where were the teachers? The teachers supposed to hold accountable for this too. You understand me? Because 6-year-old go in a bathroom and you not check. What really are go on? That's what I try to show you. But you tell me what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. My viewers and subscribers, I say I couldn't wait for show that little clip there. Eh? I don't see what go on. I don't see say Andrew Holness I get bow. And the way I'm bare face and no shame. He might put up shower finger. I don't see what go on. The people they don't want to see me. They don't know why I drive around according to Talk Your Mind. Talk Your Mind say I drive around like him a Miss World. John Star. Me have to laugh. I say me like the people them don't want to see Andrew Holness because they know say Andrew Holness and I want good prime minister. They know, you know. Me like how them people here move. Yes, man. Boo, you know, see? Yes. If you get boo and I saw everywhere else you go, I saw enough a boo to him backside because you know have no shame in a game. Guys, I want to take in Damion Crawford. Hear this.
China mix up the original. That's the part. I want to tell you that a winner never lose. A winner only learn. So therefore, whenever they think I lose, I learn. And after Portland, I start to study the Jamaica Labour Party. And I realized that the PMP sign is the fist. And the JLP sign is the V. But the JLP sign is a combination of the trigger finger and the middle finger. Look at it. It is the trigger finger, which means crime. And it is the middle finger, which means FU. If you manage to escape the trigger finger, you will not escape the middle finger. the trigger finger. Yes, man, Mackenzie place is not better than Northwest St. Catherine. That is the trigger finger. Hold on, man. Mike Henry place is not better than Northwest St. Catherine. That is the trigger finger. It's not better than Northwest. I mean, you never compare me. And you want to something like when me now one grade and then turn them behind me.
My viewers and subscribers, so when I hear Damion Crawford, listen, when Damion Crawford come out, man, the man is a serious man, man. The man have their head pan them body, When the man are mad up a thing, the man are mad up a thing the right and proper way, It's not like Andrew Oldness. So you hear what the man say? The man say Andrew Oldness, not brighter, him not even in a grade. What? Hey! Tell me what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Want to put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.